Ever felt like you're playing a frantic game of phone tag just to book a simple appointment? Or maybe you're a business owner drowning in DMs and emails, trying to juggle bookings while running your actual business? You're not alone. We've all been there, lost in the chaotic abyss of scheduling. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline this madness? A digital bridge between you and your clients, a single, shareable, glorious link. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of Square appointments today. Specifically, how to snag that magical link that simplifies your booking process. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's take a moment to understand why this link is so crucial. Think of it as your digital storefront, your virtual welcome mat. It's the key to unlocking a seamless booking experience for your clients. No more back and forth, no more missed calls, just a clean, professional, and accessible way for people to schedule appointments with you. Whether you're a hairstylist, a personal trainer, a therapist, or any service-based business, this link is your secret weapon. Imagine this, you're posting a stunning photo of your latest work on Instagram. You want to capitalize on that momentum, turn those likes into bookings. Instead of telling people to DM for availability, you simply drop your Square appointments link. Boom! Instant access to your schedule. Or perhaps you're sending out a newsletter announcing a special promotion. Instead of relying on manual bookings, you include your link, letting clients book at their convenience. This link transforms your social media, your emails, your website into a 24/7 booking machine. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why Square appointments? Well, it's more than just a scheduling tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed to manage your entire appointment-based business. It offers features like online booking, automated reminders, payment processing, client management, and even team management. It's an all-in-one solution that empowers you to focus on what you do best, while it handles the nitty-gritty of scheduling. But back to our main topic, getting that link. So how do we do it? Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. First, you'll need a Square account and Square appointments set up. If you haven't already, head over to Square's website or download the Square Appointments app and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, the central hub for managing your appointments. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the online booking section. This might be located in the settings, or it might have a dedicated tab. Inside the online booking section, you'll find your booking site settings. This is where you customize the look and feel of your online booking page. Within those settings, you'll find your booking link. It might be labeled Booking Site URL, Shareable Link, or something similar. This is the link you've been waiting for. It's the direct path to your online booking page. But here's a pro tip. Don't just copy and paste that long, unwieldy URL. Square allows you to customize your link, making it shorter and more memorable. This is crucial for sharing on social media or in printed materials. Look for an option to personalize your URL. You can often include your business name or a relevant keyword. For example, instead of a random string of characters, you could have something like square.site/yourbusinessname. This customization not only makes your link easier to remember, but also reinforces your brand identity. It's a small detail that can make a big difference. Now that you have your link, what do you do with it? The possibilities are endless. Embed it on your website. Place the link prominently on your website, making it easy for visitors to book appointments directly. You can even embed the booking calendar directly into your site for a seamless user experience. Share it on social media. Include the link in your bio, your posts, and your stories. This is a great way to convert social media engagement into actual bookings. Add it to your email signature. Every email you send is an opportunity to promote your booking page. Include the link in your signature, making it easy for clients to book appointments with you. Include it in your marketing materials. Add the link to your business cards, flyers, and brochures. This is a great way to reach potential clients who may not be online. Use it for SMS marketing. Send the link to your clients via text message, making it easy for them to book appointments on the go. Create a QR code. Generate a QR code for your booking link. This is a great way to make it easy for clients to access your booking page from their smartphones. Let's dive a little deeper into optimizing your online booking page. Remember, your link is just the gateway. The destination, your booking page, is equally important. Keep it clean and professional. Use high-quality images and a consistent color scheme that reflects your brand. Make it mobile-friendly. Ensure your booking page is responsive and looks great on all devices. Simplify the booking process. Minimize the number of steps required to book an appointment. Make it as easy as possible for clients to schedule their services. Offer clear service descriptions. Provide detailed descriptions of your services, including pricing and duration. This helps clients make informed decisions. Enable online payments. Allow clients to pay for their appointments online. This reduces no-shows and streamlines the payment process. Send automated reminders. Set up automated reminders to reduce no-shows. This helps ensure that clients remember their appointments. Collect client information. Use the booking page to collect important client information, such as contact details and preferences. This helps you personalize the client experience. Now, let's address some common questions people have about Square Appointments links. Can I track where my bookings are coming from? Yes, Square Appointments provides analytics that allow you to track your booking sources. This helps you understand which marketing channels are most effective. Can I integrate my Square Appointments link with other platforms? Yes, Square Appointments integrates with various platforms, including social media, email marketing tools, and website builders. Can I set up recurring appointments? Yes, Square Appointments allows you to set up recurring appointments for clients who need regular services. Can I manage multiple locations with one link? Yes, Square Appointments allows you to manage multiple locations and staff members from a single account. You can have different links for different locations or services. What if I change my business name? You can easily update your customized link within the Square Appointment settings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.